it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true.
In the last episode, we were in Santillana del Mar, the fairy tale town of northern Spain. And in today's episode, we are going to show you 3 more places in northern Spain, starting with Comillas. Comillas is a very nice small town, but the main reason why we wanted to come here is to show you a very special house, designed by Antoni Gaudi himself. And when we get there, we will show you all the details and tell you the stories behind it. Eğer fazladan vaktiniz varsa burada böyle bir tarihi saray da var. İçeri biletle giriyorsunuz eğer gezmek isterseniz. Eğer yalnızca bahçesinde dolaşıp manzarayı görmek isterseniz ya da binayı dıştan görmek isterseniz para ödemenize gerek yok.
If you come to Comillas, you must definitely visit El Capricho de Gaudí, which is a palace that Gaudí built in the year 1885. El Capricho means the whim. It was the whim of Máximo Díaz, the person Gaudí built this for. Máximo Díaz was an Indiano. Indiano is the word they use for the people who went to the Americas. They built a fortune there, and then they came back to their homeland, typically from northern Spain. And you can recognize the homes of Indianos because they normally have a palm tree outside, which do not grow in the north, but they remind them of their time in the Americas. El Capricho is a place you must visit with a guided tour, and it has a really interesting history behind it. Everything revolves around music, and Gaudí demonstrates how much of a genius he was. We don't want to give you any spoilers in this video, and we recommend that you visit with the guided tour. Unfortunately, Máximo Díaz could not enjoy El Capricho because he died at a very young age, but you should definitely come and check it out when in Comillas. Now, the foodie tip. When you're visiting northern Spain, forget about fast food restaurants. Look for places which offer menú del día or daily menu. Menú del día costs around 10 to 15 euros maximum, and it offers you a starter which is massive, more like a main. Additionally, there is a main course with many things to choose from. It's typically homemade food, and on top of that, there is a homemade dessert. And to drink, you can choose if you want to have water, Coke, or a whole bottle of red wine of the house. Yes, a whole bottle for yourself, together with some sparkling soda to make your own tinto de verano.
Bayağı lezzetli. Değişik bir sosu var. Böyle deniz mahsulü tadıyla fasulyenin tadı birleşmiş ama çok da güzel olmuş. Umarım siz de deneyip seversiniz. Lezzetli.
Our next stop is Gulpiyuri. Gulpiyuri is a very interesting natural phenomenon because there you can swim in a small beach which has a peculiarity. It is a beach on land inside the mountains. How is this miracle of nature possible? Well, Gulpiyuri Beach is by a cliff, and when the tide is high, the water goes through the cracks in the rocks, forming a beautiful cove surrounded by rocks in the middle of nature.
To spend the night, we came to this hotel right under Covadonga, a place that we will show you in the next episode. This was our second stay in the hotel, and we were pretty happy with it the last time we were here. It is small, but very conveniently located, clean, has friendly staff, and has all your basic needs covered. So what else can you ask for? We just wanted to check in, leave our stuff in the room, and then head out for dinner. Ve odamız burada. Burada yatak var. Dışarıda Şöyle biraz manzarayı görüyoruz. Dağları. Bir de kahve makinesi.
So this bottle was €2 something.
Ah, good.
That's right. When in northern Spain, especially when in Asturias, you must definitely try cider in a sidrería or cider bar. They use these gadgets in order to give pressure to your cider, and they only serve the bottom of the glass or a culín of cider. This is because you must drink it when it still has pressure. Do not fill your whole glass. The traditional way to serve cider is, as you can see this man doing, lifting the bottle as high as possible and pouring it with the glass slightly tilted so it gets as much pressure as possible. The problem with this is that the floors end up quite dirty. This is why nowadays they use this so customers can pour it themselves. We ordered a traditional cheese platter with an assortment of cheese from the region of Asturias. If you are a cheese lover like me, you are in the right place. When in Asturias, you must definitely try their local cheese. The most famous types are Cabrales, which is a strong blue, Afuegalpitu, which is the red one with paprika, and Gamoneu, which is a soft cheese. Quince paste goes great with all cheeses. You can check out our video recipe on the channel to make your own at home. The link for the video is in the description box below and in the cards above. Zamburiñas are scallops from the area. Here, they cook them in their shell in a wine sauce, and they add some Parmesan cheese on top.
Çok güzel kokuyor. Hemen deneyelim. Let's try it. Ah, for me? Okay. Thank you. For you? Yeah.
We also tried their breaded mushrooms with beef ham or cecina and some cheese on top, as this is Asturias, the land of cheese.